Nima Subramanian. Today we're going to make a very simple yet delicious egg recipe. This is spicy chili eggs. Now you can enjoy this as a starter or as a side dish for your fried rice and noodles. So let's get started and check it out. For this recipe I've taken 6 eggs. So first let's crack open all the eggs into a bowl. I'm seasoning the eggs with a little salt and pepper. Now whisk everything well. Now next we're going to make these scrambled eggs. To a pan, add about 3 teaspoons of oil. Gently spread the oil across the pan. Before pouring the eggs, whisk them well. So you can see I've just fluffed it up nicely. You can see that beautiful foam. Gently pour in the eggs into the pan. Push the mixture from the edges to the center. So we're going to slowly start making the scrambled egg. So we want nice large pieces. Once the eggs are cooked, turn off the flame and transfer the scrambled eggs to another bowl or a plate. So the next, we're going to stir fry some vegetables. To a nice wide pan or wok or a kadai, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of oil. Keeping the flame on medium, add 5 large pieces of finely chopped garlic. Next, add a piece of finely chopped ginger and 1 large green chilli, finely chopped. Saute the garlic and the ginger for about 30 seconds. Keep the flame on low and start adding the other ingredients. I've taken 1 large onion and cut into wedges. I've taken 1 large capsicum and cut into wedges. Just stir fry the veggies. Cook this for about a minute. To this I'm adding half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix that in. So we're making chili eggs here. So those of you who love spicy food are definitely going to love this. Make sure to maintain the flame on medium-low. Next I'm adding a small teaspoon of homemade chili paste. Next I'm adding 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and about 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. So this is going to make a nice base for your eggs. So I'll give you the link in the description on how to make this chili paste. You can make it at home and store it in the refrigerator. Just add a little water to cook the veggies and to get that beautiful sauce going. You can check for seasoning at this point and adjust the sauces accordingly. I'm just going to add a few chopped spring onions. It's going to give you a nice crunch. Gently mix that in. So now that the sauce has thickened, let's add the scrambled eggs. Well, if you love eggs, comment egg lover in the comment section. Let's see how many of you comment that. Gently drop in the scrambled eggs and mix everything well. Make sure the eggs are beautifully coated with that sauce. So if you have very large pieces, you can gently cut it up while mixing. Finally, I'm finishing off by adding a few chopped spring onion greens. There you go, here is this absolutely delicious and spicy chili eggs. You can enjoy this as is when it's nice and hot, or you can have it with some nice fried rice or noodles by the side. Of course, I'm also an egg lover and I have made several egg recipes and we have a huge playlist. I will share the link in the description. You can check it out. Well, it's such a simple and easy dish to make and I can't wait to try it now. The eggs are so fluffy, juicy because it's absorbed all those beautiful flavors and the taste is just incredible. You can actually just eat it as is, like how I did. Well, try this dish. Let me know how it turned out for you guys. So if you want to make something interesting and tasty with eggs, do try this recipe and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.